What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J Lucky, and we back with another one. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all boys how to get 360 waves. You know, 360. As y'all can see right now, I don't got no waves. But before we start, can y'all hit that like button, subscribe, please. The view is not a problem, but subscribe, please, subscribe. But yeah, and hit the notification bell. But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all everything y'all need, how you do it, and what you gotta do. But you can't be no slack. You can't be slacking. Like right now, I'm slacking. I'm slacking right now. Y'all can see it's a little curly, but I'm slacking. But I'm gonna show y'all how we get this right though. I'm gonna tell y'all everything y'all need. First, you need the main thing. It's the brush. You need a brush. You need a brush to brush that hair. You got your brush. Second most important thing. You need a do-rag. You can't, your hair gotta lay down when you lay down. Oh, I got makeup on my do-rag. But yeah, it's not my makeup. But yeah, you need that do-rag. Boom. After that, you need something to make sure your hair stay moisturized and not dry. I recommend this. For you beginning, I recommend this. But we're gonna go to the restroom and I'm gonna lay it down for y'all to show y'all what magic can do to this. I'm gonna show y'all. When we get to the restroom, it's gonna look different. I'm gonna show y'all what to do to make it look different. Back we in the restroom. We got the do-rag on. We gonna go on and take it off. Show y'all how you get the quick wave. Alright, as y'all can see, y'all probably can't see good because of the light. I need to go buy me something for light. But yeah, you can see a little bit. I'll talk about what's holding my camera, but yeah. Let me see. I know y'all see the waves, man. I'm gonna give y'all the antidote. Now look. First off, what you wanna do is you wanna brush. You wanna brush your life away. Like my waves aren't perfect, but it's because I haven't been brushing. So you wanna brush, bro. You wanna brush. Like when I say brush, I mean brush. Like this is the most important part of it all. To better connections, better waves, better looking, you know, everything. Better connection. Break the forks. Just brush. You don't need no comb. I don't care what nobody tell you. That comb and stuff, man, that stuff don't work. It's in that brush. Chill, it's in that brush. But you know, I'm gonna get my little quick brush session in, and then we'll be back. Alright, so after you get your little brush session in, you're gonna grab you some of this. Throw this on your head. Can't let your hair be dry. You know, you wanna lay it down, so boom, you grab you some of that. About that much. Depends on your hair texture, you know me. I probably don't even need that much. I'm gonna throw a little bit of that back. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna keep that. Alright, we're gonna rub that in. Camera finna go dead, so we gotta go a little quick. We're gonna rub this in for a little while. Oh, I bit my tongue. I'm gonna rub it in for about a minute. Okay. Alright, so get it to look like that. Then what you gonna do is start rubbing it on your head. Get it everywhere over your head. Then you want to grab you a little bit separate and just throw it around the crown. I might not get this in the camera, but y'all get where I'm going. Alright, get all of this off of your hands. Dry your hands. And then boom, all you gotta do is brush more. But this, you gotta brush this in for a little while. So I'll be back in about 15 minutes after I'm done brushing mine in. And I'm gonna show y'all how I look. Alright, so we back from brushing, you know. About 15 minutes, quick 15-minute session. But look, when y'all brushing, bruh, like make sure you're doing the same pattern. Like, don't switch it up. I got a bad problem with switching it up, and I don't focus on my weak hitters right here. Y'all probably can see it look horrible right there, and like right here on both sides, because I don't focus. I focus more at the top. But yeah, I'm kind of woofing a little bit. When I cut it, it'll look way better though. But yeah, focus on those areas. But next, what you want to do is you want to put your do-rag on. You make sure it's that silk down. You don't want to get none of that messed up stuff. So what you do is, I'm gonna show y'all how to put the do-rag on just in case y'all don't know. You grab these ends, boom. You go to the back, you grab one, you grab the other one. Make sure it's straight so it don't put any lines on your forehead. To the back, then you grab this one, same thing, make sure it's straight. Go to the back, and then you tie it up. Bam. That's how you get 360 waves. But yeah, like I'm saying, you know, you gotta be consistent night, day, before work, after work, all that, before you go to sleep, especially before you lay down. Don't go to sleep without the do-rag on. Don't lay down without the do-rag on. Don't leave nowhere without bringing that brush. The brush is the most important thing. I don't got one. I do got one. Take that brush everywhere you go. You know, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, join the Lucky family, man. And I appreciate y'all. We almost got 200 subs. You know, it mean a lot to me. You know, we get 200 subs, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I don't know what I'm gonna give away. Y'all know I do shoes, hair, you know, I might give away lip. I don't even know, whatever y'all, you know, let me know what y'all think, you know. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Peace.